Data retention. Data retention defines the policies of persistent data and record management. For meeting legal and business data archival requirement. Although sometimes interchangeable, it is not to be confused with the Data Protection Act. The different data retention policies weigh legal and privacy concerns against economies and it took no concern to determine the retention time. Archival rules, data formal, and the presumable means of storage, access, and encryption. In the field of telecommunication, data retention generally refers to the storage of call detail record or CDRIs of telephony and internet traffic and transaction data or IPDRIs by government and commercial organization. In the case of government data retention, the data that is stored is usually of telephone calls, made and received, email sent and received, and website visited. Location data is also collected. The primary objective in government data retention is traffic analysis and mass surveillance. By analyzing the retained data, government can identify the location of an individual, associate, and the members of a group such as political opponents. These activities may or may not be lawful, depending on the constitution and laws of each country. In many jurisdictions, access to this database may be made by a government with little or no judicial oversight. In the case of commercial data retention, the data retained will usually be on transaction and websites visit. Data retention also covers data collected by order means or by automatic number plate recognition system and held by government and commercial organizations. Data retention policy. A data retention policy is a recognized and proven protocol within an organization for retaining information for operational use while ensuring adherence to the laws and regulation concerning them. The objectives of a data retention policy are to keep important information for future use or reference, to organize information so it can be searched and accessed as a later date, and to dispose of information that is no longer needed. The data retention policies within an organization are a set of guidelines that describe which data will be archived, how long it will be kept, what happens to the data at the end of the retention period, or archived or destroyed, and other factors concerning the retention of the data. A part of any effective data retention policy is the permanent deletion of the retained data, achieving secure deletion of data by encrypting the data when stored, and then deleting the encryption key after a specific retention period, thus effectively deleting the data object and its copy stored in online and offline location. Australia. The Australian government introduced mandatory data retention laws that allows data to be retained up to 2 years. The scheme is estimated to just at least EU 4 years to implement, working out to at least 16 per user per year. It will require telecommunication provider and ISPs to retain telephony, internet, and email metadata for 2 years, accessible without a warrant, and could possibly be used to target file sharing.